Hello everyone, welcome all of you in my YouTube channel Rudra Study Circle. So in this video I am going to explain Adam-Bosport predictor character method. So this method is applicable on first order differential equation, like we have dy by dx equal to f of xy with the initial condition. So if you see the name, so we have predictor character method. So before that we have previous method like Rangaputa method and all. So Euler method. So those methods are single step method, and this is the multiple step method. Means we have two steps here. First, with one formula we'll get the predictor value, and after that we'll correct the predictor value by character formula. So here we have two formula. One is the predictor formula, and for correcting that predictor formula we have the character formula. Okay. So now let us see what is the predictor and character formula. Let us see. First we'll write. So this is the given differential equation dy by dx equal to f of xy. So we have predictor formula y4p. This p denotes the predictor formula equal to y3 plus h by 24 into 55 f3. So this f3 is the value of this f at x3 y3 minus 59 f2. F2 is the value of f at x2 y2 plus 37 f1 minus 9 f0. So f0 is the value of f at x0 y0. So from here we'll get the value of y4 predictor value. Now using this y4p we'll calculate this f. We'll find out the f4 of the predictor value. So f4 is the value of f at x4 and y4 predicted value. So now character formula y4c equal to y3 plus h by 24 9 f4p. So this part is coming from previous formula. We'll calculate this f4 at x4 and y4p predictor formula plus 19 f3 minus 5 f2 plus f1. Okay, so this is the predictor formula, this is the character formula. That's why we call the multi-scale, multi-step method. One more thing, for applying this formula we need y3, y2, y1, y0. So x0 value y0, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4. So this method is giving solution at y4 at x equal to x4. So what about these values? So these values, either it will given the problem that y0, y1, y2, y3 we need these values, or if it is not given, so we can find out this y0, y1, y2, y3 using the Euler method. If it is given the question, that is fine. If it is not given, so we need to find using Euler method. What is Euler method? Euler method is yn plus 1 equal to yn plus h f of x and yn. This is your Euler method. So using this formula we can find out the y1, y2, y3, because y0 is the initial condition that we will always have. So y1, y2, y3 we can find out the using Euler method, and then we will find out the y4 predicted value, and then we will have the corrected value of y4. Let us see one problem, and we will see how we apply this predictor and character formula. So the question is given dy by dx equal to 1 by 2x plus y, y0 equal to 2, y.5 equal to 2.636, y1 equal to 3.595, y1.5 equal to 4.968. Then find the y2 using Adam-Bosport method. So here x0 equal to 0 and y0 equal to 2. This is given. X1 equal to 0.5 and y1 equal to 2.636. X2 equal to 1 and y2 equal to 3.595. X3 equal to 1.5 and y3 equal to 4.968, and x4 equal to 2 and y4 we need to find out. So here this y1, y2, y3 already is given, so no need other formula, directly we can apply the predictor formula. So if you see y4 predictor formula equal to y3 plus h by 24, and we have 55, so we have h by 24, 55 y3 minus 59 f2 plus 37 f1 minus 9 f0. Actually this is f3 not y3, f3. So now we need to calculate this y f3, f2, f1 and f0. So let us have that f3. What is f3? f3 is your f equal to 1 by 2 x plus y. So x3 plus y3. So 1 by 2 x3 equal to 1.5 plus y3 equal to 4.968. So this your f3 is coming 3.324, x0, x1, x2, x3. So fine. Now f2 equal to 1 by 2 x2 plus y2. So 1 by 2 x2 equal to 1. So 1 plus y2 equal to 3.595. So f2 equal to 2.2975 and f1 equal to 1 by 2 x1 plus y1. So 1 by 2 x1 equal to 0.5 plus y1 equal to 2.636. So this f1 we are getting 1.568. Okay, now we'll calculate the f0. So your f0 equal to 1 by 2 x0 plus y0. So 1 by 2 x0 equal to 0 plus y0 equal to 2. So we get 1. So now we have got that f0, f1, f2, f3. So we can apply the y4p, the value of the predictor value of y4 using the formula h equal to 0.5 here. So y3 equal to 4.968 plus h equal to 0.5 by 24 and 55 f3. So that is equal to 55 into 3.324. I will just erase this. So 55 into f3 minus 59 into f2. So f2 equal to 2.2975 plus 37 into f1. So 37 into 1.568 minus 9 into f0 equal to 1. So this is your y4 predictor value. So if you simplify, so we get 6.8707. So this is your y4 predictor value. Now Now we'll have F4 predictor value, because we need this one in the corrected value. So this will be 1 by 2 x4 plus y4p, x4 plus y4p. So this will be 1 by 2 plus y4p equal to 6.8707. So this will get 4.435. So this is y4 using the predicted value. Now we'll go for the y4c. y4c equal to y3, okay, y3 plus, so we have y3 plus h by 24 and 9 into f4 predicted value plus 19 f3 minus 5 f2 plus f1. Now substitute the value of y4p. So what is the y3? So y3 equal to 4.968 plus h equal to 0.5 by 24 into 9 into f4p. So this term only we have calculated using the predictor value. So 9 into 4.435 plus 19 into f3. So f3 equal to 3.324 minus 5 into f2 equal to 2.2975 and plus f1. So we have f1 1.568. So if you simplify using the calculator, so we get 6.873. So your y4c is the 6.873. So this is your answer. So here we have, this is the multi-step method. We have used that predictor formula, corrector formula, and got the final answer. Thank you.